Delphinium is an absolutely beautiful addition to any garden, adding excellent vertical elements, repeated blooming, and prolific seeds at the end of the season. This short video will give you a simple guide to delphinium seeds and how to collect them for the following year or to share.
As the growing season wanes and fall hits the air, your delphinium will turn brown and crispy. This is the perfect time to collect seeds from the pea-like pods that will be numerous throughout the plant. If you examine closely, these seed pods will contain the black seeds and are easy to harvest. Collect the seeds and place them in a container. They should strip off the stems easily, and you'll know they're ready when some of the pods start shedding their seeds immediately. I usually just roll the seeds between my fingers for small batches, and the outer pod shell should crackle and release its bounty. I typically lay down a piece of paper in my workspace to catch the seeds and chaff, and I also love looking at the end result. Then it's time to filter. I have an old seed sifter screen my wife purchased at a yard sale, but you can use commercial sifter, a piece of screen, or make your own. The sifter does a great job getting rid of the larger waste pieces, and when you're done, you should have a fairly clean seed sample. At this point, your collected seeds should look like this. Separation of the chaff from the seeds is important to prevent rotting, contamination, or mold. You can typically get rid of the remaining waste by blowing lightly into the container, and the chaff should fly away. Honestly, I try and get rid of the majority of the waste, but have been storing seeds that look like this for years without a problem, as long as they are thoroughly dry. I find these tins easy for temporary storage and collection, and they're easy to label, although at the end of the process, we use our seed packets for longer-term storage with information about the seeds. You can buy them in the link below. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe to learn more.